This is my follow-up video, the Autel EVSE charger. This is, I think it goes to 50 amps, but you said it's 48 for most systems. It's actually charging right now. You can see the little light. I think this is power. No, this is internet, I believe. This is charging and it's flashing. There's Bluetooth connection as well. And if you have RFID for external things, that's extra. You can do that so people can't access your charger unless they have that card. And this is the holder for it. I'm going to disconnect in a second. But I wanted to show you, oh, that's a loud thing, how long this cable is. This is a 25-foot cable here, and it works perfect. You see it's on the opposite side. My wife likes to park on this side. This is where I like to park, so that's why it's there. But I'm going to go ahead and disconnect it here, or actually I'll do it in a second. I want to show the app. Here's a screenshot of my charger. It gives a little bit of history. It's not connected right now. Once it's connected, I can't hit the start button here and it'll go away, initiate I should say. And you can do a customized charging plan, so you could set it through a certain time of day and night, so you won't have to automatically start. Has that worked for me? It hasn't worked for me, right? But maybe it's something with me, not the thing. And then it gives you insights of what you've been charging for and your cost. You can manually put in your cost here, so you can see what your cost is for charging, distance added, charge duration, etc., how many counts. So the app is there. You can see what it shows, when you charged it. I usually charge at work, but I have to charge at home sometimes just to top it off a little bit so I can have enough charging to get to the office. But yeah, it's a great little charging system. I'm actually really impressed with it. Over here on this part, this is where you can change, like they said, the permissions. Auto start, you can use RFID card like I mentioned, or auto start, which means plug and play, and it goes, charges and goes. Maximum current here, so you can change the current. 48 is the max. I thought you could go higher, but I guess 48 is the max. You could go on this, but you can go lower if you have a lower amperage system. Basically, it's plug and play. You can control it through the app to start and stop it. This Ford Mach E, you can control it through this app to stop it. So there's a couple ways of doing it. And since this is the, I think it was the JC, I forgot the size. But anyways, this is not the super fast charger. This is a level 2 charger. It's basically plug and play. I can push this to stop it or just yank it out. Either way it works. Really cool. It's a really fast charger, level 2. I'm really impressed about how fast it's been charging here. Let me go ahead and just disconnect it there. So again, it's a long cable. Cable management would be just wrapping it around this thing, and I'll do it later because I'm getting my hands tied up. And right there is just a holder for it, so then you have access. So your handle's not just hanging somewhere. It's nice and neat. Oh, it's dusty. But anyways, yeah, that's how it works. I'm really happy with this Autel unit. Thanks for watching the video. Peace out. Thumbs up.